Great. Now, one thing that we've also seen during this, like this past year, is that like incidents, security incidents have risen. Unfortunately, now that brings me to the point where people start thinking about zero trust. It's been in the field since roughly 2010. We all know that, but we haven't heard much till about 2019, roughly. Now, everybody talks about zero trust. How does Cato Networks cater for this zero trust architecture?
So you can basically implement with Cato a zero trust architecture, meaning basically you connect to the Cato Cloud. That's your trust broker, basically. It will then authenticate you in multiple levels or whatever. And then you will get no access to anything other than the applications that you're authorized to access. So this is, so that's zero trust. What's nice about Cato is that if you look at Gartner has two market guides, one for ZTNA, which we are part of, Zero Trust Network Access, and also for VPN, which is the legacy technology, which is still required for certain applications, legacy applications, certain organizations. So there are some use cases and apps that need traditional VPN. We are in that market guide too. So unlike zero trust companies, which are a VPN replacement, but they don't backward compatible, if you like, with the old way, we both backward compatible and forward compatible to zero trust. So I think that's part of the migration question as well. They're actually very good in supporting the current state of the customer. So it could be voice over IP, could be remote desktops, could be SAP in the data center. And if tomorrow you want to move to UCaaS, Unified Communication as a Service, which is the cloud-based VoIP, or you want to go to ERP, put your SAP in the cloud, you seamlessly work within the Cato framework. It doesn't matter. So I think that's the answer. So we allow you to implement zero trust, and we can also support your legacy if you have legacy requirements, which you must have full network access with VPN. So we support both models.
So that means that I actually can support my current architecture, but yet if I invest in a Cato network component or architecture, then I am future-proof if I want to build a zero trust infrastructure. Absolutely. Which is great news, of course. Yeah. Now, whom is it for? I mean, you're well, fast-growing company out of Israel. You cater for smaller and larger companies. Now, is there sort of a minimal size for a company that Cato is interesting for, or doesn't it matter? I mean, is it interesting for SMEs, for instance?
So I'll, instead of using the definition, SME, small, medium enterprise, I would say that we are medium to large enterprise. About half of our customers are regional, okay? So they will be within a single country. Could be a retail for a country, or could be a law firm, architecture firm. So it doesn't have to be huge. I would say that, so that's one type. Obviously, the global companies, the international companies, they take advantage of our backbone and the fact that we have a global footprint, which is a very unique capability. So obviously, if you're global, you are more, there is even more value we can give you.
Excellent. Wow. I'm quite excited, really, because we also see that our customers, we haven't been in that, well, working together with you guys that long, but the adoption is really great, and the feedback that we get from our customers is also excellent. Thank you very much, Yishay, and have a very good day.
Thank you very much, Reto. It's great to be here.